In this video, we will first focus on the exam pattern of LUCSAT examination. The mode of examination will be online. There will be 100 questions with total time for the exam 90 minutes. Type of questions will be MCQ and there will be no negative marking. The sections in this exams will be Part A, Logical Reasoning, Numerical Aptitude, English Comprehension and General Knowledge, and Part B will be Mathematics, Physics and Computer Science. Now let's bring our focus to some tips and tricks that will help you in this examination. As there is no negative marking, try to attempt all the questions. Read newspaper to increase your general knowledge. Also, don't forget to do practice tests or mock tests so that you know your strengths and weaknesses. For that, you can check the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work, which is designed specifically for this purpose. Check the description for the link of the app. As the paper is online, so you need to prepare for that only. You can check the description for full syllabus. And if you liked our video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.